In this video, I will provide a comparison between Capital One's Savorone and Quicksilver. Capital One Quicksilver is available in versions for excellent and good credit, where Capital One Savorone caters to both excellent and good credit with variations in benefits. Both card offers $200 welcome bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months from account opening. There are some main key differences between those cards. Capital One Savor provides 5% cashback, where Capital One Quicksilver also provides 5% cashback. But in case of dining, entertainment, streaming, and groceries, Capital One Savor provides 3% cashback, where Quicksilver doesn't provide anything. In case of Capital One entertainment experiences, Savor provides 8% cashback, where Quicksilver doesn't provide anything. Savors is ideal for food, entertainment, and travel lovers who want higher cashback rates in specific categories. On the other hand, Quicksilver is great for consistent rewards with 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Both cards have a variable APR of 19.99% to 29.99%. The introductory offers are 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balances transfers. The balance transfer fee for both is 3% during the intro period. Choose Savor if you spend a lot on dining, entertainment, groceries, and travel. You will maximize your cashback in these categories. Choose Quicksilver if you prefer a simple, consistent reward system with 1.5% cashback on all purchases. So that's it for the comparison today. If this comparison helps, like, share, and subscribe.